Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we've got another awesome Suzuki Jimny. This Suzuki Jimny is an automatic, it's four-wheel drive, and in today's video I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this Suzuki Jimny has covered just 12 miles. It is four-wheel drive. It has the 1.5 litre petrol engine and automatic gearbox. It offers a fuel economy of 41 miles to the gallon. It has 101 brake horsepower. This car is an insurance group 33E and road tax is £220 for the year. So we're just going to take a walk around the car just to show you around. I mean, there's not really any damage to reports as it's only done 12 miles, but I'll just show you every corner. So this is the front passenger corner here. We'll take a good look at that grille. All looking tidy. This is the front driver's corner here. We'll take a little walk down the side just to show you. There isn't really anything to report other than this car does have this custom roof rack fitted. So we'll just take a walk around the back and I'll show you the back. There's the rear bumper. There's the big rear door. The glass. Just take a slow walk up the passenger side as well. As you can see, it's got the wind deflectors at the top of the windows. And that is about it for the outside. It's all looking very tidy, as it should. We'll just open up the boot here. As you can see, the two rear seats are folded down at the moment, and they have got this hard backing to provide you extra space in the boot. But if you do want them up, you just pull this little string and pop them up. Just like that. And then you do get additional storage just under there. But I'll just pop this other seat up as well. And you can set the lumbar angle on it, so that's it all the way back. There is also a 12-volt socket in the back here. So we'll just take a look inside. As you can see, the dash is pristine. Down here, see your little fuel cap filler. It still has the packaging on. There's your automatic gear stick. There's your centre console. All your climate controls are just there. On your steering wheel, you've got your cruise control. Your push start, mirror controls there. Down here's your buttons for your heated seats. I'll just show you the seats. All looking very tidy, like new. We'll just pull it forwards so you can see the back seats. Again, these two rear seats do have ISOFIX. Right, so it is keyless start and unlock. So I'm just going to put the handbrake down. I've got my foot on the brake. I'm just going to press the button there. As you can hear, the engine has started. I'll just show you the player here. This player does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We'll just take a look at the dash just to show you. As you can see, there's no warning lights on the dash and it has covered just 11 miles. So this car will come with a fresh service and a year's warranty. But if you like this car, you can secure the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer finance and delivery, but I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.